KLICK System by Liteline, a Liteline brand, is a modular and linear track system that focuses on customization. The track is available in black, while the side panels are available in white, black, or custom colors. KLICK has 4 mounting options: suspended, recessed with flange, trimless with the Precision Pro drywall channel, or surface mounted. The ability to incorporate right angle, inside, and outside corner pieces, as well as X and T connectors, allows designers to create a unique lighting layout. There are currently 8 KLICK modules available to choose from. With countless track design possibilities and 8 different styles of modules, the configurations for your next KLICK project are near limitless. Once you have a design in mind, follow these steps to begin the ordering process. Length and shape by run. Single or multi-track. Ceiling type and mounting. Exterior cover panel color. Inner track cover. Module type and quantity. Driver type. An online order form is available on the KLICK landing page. This form has blue shaded areas where you can fill out the required information for your specific project needs. This gives us the information needed to come up with a budgetary quote along with personalized shop drawings. Once the form is submitted, the ordering process is as follows. Receive a budgetary drawing and quote within 2 business days. Our sales rep will confirm the details and make revisions as required. If approved, submit your order. Liteline will then issue detailed shop drawings. Client reviews and approves Liteline's shop drawings. Release order to production. For more information, please visit liteline.com/KLICK.